What an easy way to share money and manage family expense using Cash App. Let me show you how to do family sharing the smart way. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Before we start, here's what you will need. A Cash App account for each family member. Next, a linked bank account or debit card. Then, access to your contacts saved in your phone and a smartphone with Cash App installed. And here's an optional that you can try. A plan for managing allowance, group payments, or shared expense. So what is a family sharing on Cash App? Cash App doesn't have an official family sharing features like Apple or Google, but you can easily share money and manage family expense by sending funds between family members instantly or requesting money for group bills or chores, then using cash cards for spending control, and lastly, setting up shared group chats to contribute the payments. And how to send money to family members. It's quite easy. So for that, open Cash App, then tap the dollar button, send and request both you can do, then enter the receives cash tag like their phone number or email, then enter the amount that you want to send, then add a note like allowance or groceries, and lastly tap pay. So here's how to manage spending with family cash cards. So each member can have their own cash cards linked to their account. Parents can send money and monitor transactions for their kids. Then, cards can be freeze and unfreeze anytime for safety. Lastly, use notifications to stay updated on spending. So group payment and request. Use a request feature to ask family members for money. Send reminders for shared bills or upcoming payments. And lastly, track who paid and when from the activity tab. And here's some safety tips for you. Only share funds with trusted family members. Enable two-factor authentications on your Cash App account. And last, monitor transaction history regularly. And that's it. Easy family money sharing with Cash App. Like, subscribe, and comment if you want more tips. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.